Hey guys, so we're doing a video of my Casablanca waliea first version, because you can tell there's blade brackets. And this is a rustic iron finish. I got this off of Facebook Marketplace for like 75 bucks. I need to add a light to it. The switch cap is missing. I took it off. I'll put it back on soon. It's a nice fan. This might be a short video because my phone is about to die. So here's low. Don't mind my sear with like 2 missing blades. I have to put the blades back on. So this right now. We want it on forward. Go that way. There we go. Yeah, I can feel the air from it now. So that's low. Medium. High. It's an air mover. Here. There's nothing on this testing rig. I'm supposed to get my Delta today and the guy didn't respond. So I have to message him. There's the cord. Yeah. So we here's reverse. There it is in reverse. There's a helicopter flying over. Low, yeah, high, off, reverse. And you can see the Casablanca logo on it, right there. Oops. And then my whole goofy ass here. So yeah, that's my Casablanca waliea, guys. Hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.